Good morning, dear children. Today, I'm going to start a new lesson for you all from Social Studies, Class 3 CBSE. We welcome you all to the academic year 2020-21. Thought for the day is, still round the corner, there may wait a new road or a secret gate, which means we should always stay positive. Now, children, have you ever been to planetarium? If yes, what have you seen there? Let me ask you few questions about our solar system. I'm a huge ball of fire. Solar system is my family and I provide light and heat to the solar system. Who am I? The sun. Correct. I am the largest planet in my family. Who am I? Family in the sense we are talking about solar system family. So this is the largest planet. Which planet is this, children? It is Jupiter. Exactly. I'm the second largest planet. I have ring around me. Saturn is the right answer. Very good, children. Planet where life exists. Third planet in the solar system. Blue planet. Round in shape. These are the 4 clues I have given you. Can you guess the lesson name? Yes. The answer is the Earth. Today, we are going to learn more about our planet, the Earth, our home. The learning outcome of this chapter is Earth, our home, why we call it as our home, shape of the Earth, Earth, the blue planet, and movement of the Earth. So we are going to learn them one by one. Now I am going to tell you a story about Rahul and Tina. He is Rahul and she is Tina. They both are sister and brother. Tina is the elder one, Rahul is the younger one. So they go to circus with their parents. Rahul tells the story for us. The other day, I went to see the circus with my parents. I was having fun, but the next act really took me by surprise. There on the stage was a huge elephant that balanced itself on a ball. An elephant balancing on a ball? Is that possible, children? How it is that elephant can balance itself on a round ball? Rahul thinks maybe the elephant is trained. What do you think, children? Can an elephant balance on a round ball? Are we living in the round planet? How is that we can effortlessly walk on the round planet? Is it really round? Now, all these questions comes to Rahul's mind. So, who clarifies his doubts? It was his sister, Tina. Tina, Rahul's elder sister, clarifies his doubts. She explains to him about planet Earth. Earlier, people were thinking that Earth is flat. They were afraid to go to the edges of the Earth. They thought it is flat in shape and they were afraid that they might fall from the Earth. But who proved that Earth is round? In the year 1519, it was Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, started on a journey from Spain. He sailed in the same direction for 3 years and reached the same place from where he had started. This proved that Earth is round like a ball and it is not flat. So the reality here is Earth is not flat, it is round in shape. Thanks to science, man has reached even the moon. Who was the man who reached the moon first? It was Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin of the United States of America were the first men to step on the moon in the year 1969. They took many photographs of the Earth from the moon. These photographs also show that the Earth is round in shape. This photograph was taken from the moon. This is moon and this is our planet Earth. You would have seen sun rise, right? This is Earth rising from moon. This is moon and Earth is slowly rising. Now Rahul says to Tina, oh, these photographs also show that Earth is round in shape. Now Rahul learned that Earth is round in shape. Now Tina asked Rahul, do you know why Earth is different from other planets? Why, children? Why Earth is different from other planets? Because it gets adequate sunlight. Since it is a third planet, it gets adequate sunlight from our sun, right? So, and it also has air and water in it. So, these are the reasons the Earth is different from other planets, and it also helps us to survive on the Earth. So what is the reason, children? It gets adequate sunlight, it has air and water in it. So that's the reason Earth is unique and different from other planets. See, here, because of sufficient sunlight, the living beings exist. That is the reason it is different from other planets. Now, Tina says to Rahul, Rahul, you know that Earth is not still, it moves. Have you seen a top spin? See, how does a top spin? Earth spins on its own axis. What is an axis? An imaginary line about which a body rotates. Now, one more process is there, one more movement is there. What is that? Revolution. Earth revolves round the sun. The Earth revolves round the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Earth spins on its own axis and Earth revolves round the sun on an imaginary fixed path called orbit. So there are two movements, that is rotation and revolution, right? So what is the difference between rotation and revolution? The Earth spins on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth revolves round the sun on a fixed path called orbit is revolution. It takes 24 hours in a day to rotate, to complete one rotation. It takes 365 days to complete one revolution. And rotation causes day and night, whereas revolution causes different season. So Earth has two movements, rotation and revolution. Now Rahul asked Tina, why Earth is called a blue planet? Why Earth is called a blue planet, children? Earth is called the blue planet as there is more water on its surface. It looks blue from the space. So 70% of the Earth is covered with water. So that's the reason Earth is called the blue planet, and it looks blue because of the water bodies, and it looks blue from the space. Why Earth is called a blue planet? See here. The Earth is called the blue planet as there is more water on its surface and they look blue from the space. 3/4 of our planet is covered with water. See here, These are the water bodies. The colored part is the land, that is the continents. Tina says to Rahul, do you know what protects us from the harsh rays of sun? Okay, Tina asked Rahul, what protects us from the harsh rays of sun? It is nothing but atmosphere, the blanket of earth. We call atmosphere as the blanket of earth, the envelope of air that surrounds the earth. See how this orange peel is protecting the orange. The same way, atmosphere protects the earth from the harsh rays of the sun. You may feel that sea water and sky meet at a point. Do you think that it is true? No, because they seem to meet, but they don't actually meet. The place where the earth and the sky seem to meet is called horizon. Have you ever seen a beach? Have you ever been to a beach where the land and the sea meets at a particular point? What do you call this place as? It is nothing but coast. The place where the land and the sea meet is called coast. Now, Tina says to Rahul, so Rahul, these are the reasons that makes Earth different. We all celebrate our planet, right? That's the reason Earth is different from other planets because of the sunlight we receive and we have air and water in it. Isn't it not, children? We have to protect our Earth. That is our responsibility. So, we have to protect our Earth like how we protect our home. Thank you. Have a nice day.